Alright, so last time I left you with the video, I had the pedal box in my hand. I was talking to you about the front and rear master cylinders, how I set them up with the push rod, slightly longer in the front. The balance bar, I think I told you I set it at about one turn towards the front. Well, since then I've obviously put the pedal box back in. I bled the brakes and I've been for a drive since, but I just wanted to tell you how I set the car up as part of that process before taking it for a drive. So once I put the pedal box in, to get to the balance bar, I have to remove the accelerator pedal. So I left that out as part of this process. I left it on the hoist, and as you can see, the front wheel spins freely. I got someone to sit in the driver's seat, and we got them to apply about 50% pedal pressure to where I was able to firmly turn the front wheel and see what the back wheel would be like. Now it's just starting to break a little bit, barely. When I originally did this, I had this wheel almost lock up and the back wheel still sort of freely spinning. So what I then did is I adjusted the balance bar back to the rear. In the end, I finished with 2 turns to the rear. And when we applied 75% brake pressure to this, really hard to turn that front wheel, and the back wheel is starting to get firm, with the pedal pressure. Right, so we know that the front wheel is going to lock first before the rear, or brake first before the rear. When we gave it full pressure, obviously can't turn that, so 100% pressure, and then 100% meant also that I can't turn the rear as well. So obviously apply a bit as hard as you can, and both lock up. So we knew from the last video that when the pedal gets past a certain point, the balance bar evens out, and they both apply the same pressure at the same time. Well, this one applies a little bit more to the rear, but because of the smaller master cylinder, the front still actually applies more brake fluid and more pressure. So yeah, I just want to show you that process. That's how I set the car up before I put it onto the road, so I knew it would already have the right brake bias. So all I do now, if I really want to, which I'm not going to do at the moment, was I could take the accelerator pedal back out. I can adjust the balance bar and apply a bit more bias to the front. But right now I've got it pretty good where it is. I took it for a drive, brakes transferred to the front. It does exactly what I wanted to do that it didn't do previously. So I'm pretty happy with the result, given that I literally just set up a test on the hoist and got it pretty close to where I want it. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys, and until next time, I'll try and get a video of the car or in-car footage, and it's just sort of showing you that diving aspect when I get a chance. But until next time, catch you soon. Cheers.